This is a worked solution to AQA Physics P1 June 2014 higher tier paper question 2. In this question we have to be careful to answer the points made in the box here and explain them. So we need to explain why solids have a fixed shape and are difficult to compress using the ideas of spacing, movement and forces. So what we know about solids is that the particles are close together. And because the particles are close together, it means that there isn't space between them for them to be able to move closer, so they're difficult to compress. Also in solids, the particles cannot move freely, they vibrate around a fixed point. So that's thinking about the movement now. So because they can't move freely, the solid has a fixed shape. In terms of the forces between the particles, there are very strong forces between them, and this explains why they can't move freely. For a gas, we need to consider the same things, spacing, movement and forces, but at this time explain why gases will spread out and why they're easy to compress. So for gases, the forces between particles are very, very weak. This means they're spread out far apart and move randomly. So they spread far apart, and because they've got a lot of space between them, they're easy to compress. Also, they move constantly and randomly and spread out in all directions, which makes them fill the container.